Hey guys, it's BenTheCuber. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying out algorithms on my GAN 12 Maglev and my extremely old Rubik's Cube that's probably like 20 years old. So let's get started. Starting off with the RUS UA perm. Here we go, 0.4. Okay, here we go. Oh no. No, that's gonna be impossible. I have to change my grip on the entire cube. There we go. 15 seconds, that was horrible. Now, let's try, how about the T perm? There we go, 0.8. Okay, let's go. Oh no, this is horrible. How did people use these back in the day? 9-second T perm, that is horrible. Okay, let's just move on to the J perm. Here we go, 0.8. Okay, here we go. Oh no, I do not want to pop this cube, that would be absolutely horrible. Oh my gosh, that was freaking horrible. Well guys, thank you all for watching. This time you guys get a double cube spin, and well, make sure to like and subscribe.